Here's a 2012 Ford Expedition EL. In the face of challenging situations, this Expedition EL is calm and ready to conquer. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: streaming audio, power heated mirrors, power adjustable pedals, auto dimming rearview mirror, wireless phone connectivity, leather steering wheel, automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and V8 engine. Chicago Tribune explains, touch the pedal and go. No waiting on or off-road or up steep inclines where 18-wheelers and those tiny gas sippers gasp for breath. Ford is America's best-selling vehicle brand. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
We're confident we have the right used car, truck, or SUV for you. Stop in and see us today at 2008 US Highway 19 in Holiday, Florida.